To download the Google Play Store on a Windows PC or laptop, you will need to use a free app called BlueStacks. Start by opening a browser on your computer and navigating to the BlueStacks website. From there, select the option to download BlueStacks 5 and save the file to your computer. Once the download is complete, open the file and begin the installation process. When prompted, select Install Now and wait for the installation to complete. Once installed, the BlueStacks app player will open, and you can select the Play Store option, which will be the same Google Play Store you would find on an Android phone. To access the Play Store, you will need to sign into a Google account. If you don't have one, you can create a new account. After logging in, you can use the search bar to find and install any apps or games available on the Google Play Store, such as Call of Duty Mobile. You can even use your keyboard or mouse to play games. This process allows you to install the Google Play Store on your PC or laptop, giving you access to a wide range of apps and games.